my channel and welcome back all my subscribers. If this is the first time watching, a warm welcome to you also. Now look below, you will see the word subscribe. If you click on it, you will be subscribed. And here goes. There is a little bell at the side. You need to click on that because if you don't, you're not gonna know when I upload a video. That bell will send you a notification each time I upload a video. Also, if you already subscribe and you're not getting the notification, go ahead and hit that bell again. Make sure to get your notification. Okay, now why am I so happy today? I am happy today because I just whipped up a batch of anti-aging cream. This anti-aging cream is the just listen, you guys, you are gonna love this anti-aging cream. Now this anti-aging cream is a wrinkle fighting cream, it's a skin tightening cream, and it is also a cream that is gonna have your face bright and radiant. Now this is a rice anti-aging cream, and if you're not aware of the many benefits of rice on the skin, you really need to watch this video. Now guess what? This cream is filled with retinol. Retinol. Yes, retinol, because retinol is basically vitamin A. And most time people don't talk about vitamin A. We tend to talk a lot about vitamin E, which is extremely good for the skin. But guess what? When you're getting on in age and you're getting to my age and above, retinol is the key. And retinol come in two forms, is either animal or vegetable, okay? If you are looking to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, if you're looking to get rid of your laugh lines, if you're looking to have your skin nice and tight and also bright and glowing, this anti-aging wrinkle fighting cream is for you. 100% homemade and all natural. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I'm going to be using some rice, and rice has been used for generation and generation on the skin. Rice helps to firm and tighten the skin. It also helps to brighten the skin, and rice is known for getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. And this is some cooked rice that I have here. The next ingredient is vitamin A oil, and vitamin A oil is basically retinol. Retinol is made from 100% pure vitamin A oil. Vitamin A oil helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to tighten sagging skin. And our third ingredient is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil is great for the skin also, especially the aging skin. Vitamin E oil helps to soften the skin, it helps to tighten the skin, it helps to get rid of lines and wrinkles around your mouth and around your eyes. Basically an overall treatment for aging skin. Our fourth ingredient is glycerin, and I'm using glycerin as a preservative. However, glycerin is a moisturizer that helps to soften the skin, and this glycerin is vegetable glycerin. Now we're gonna put this wonderful anti-aging treatment together. And some of the things that you're gonna need are, you're gonna need a blender and basically just a glass jar for storing. Now here I have my cooked rice. I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of cooked rice, and I'm adding that to the blender. To our rice, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, and then I'm going to blend. Now here is the blended rice. You're going to take your spoon and you're going to just work it in like this. And now we're going to add our other ingredient. Now that our rice is blended, to the blended rice, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin A oil, a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and a half a teaspoon of glycerin, which is optional. And now we're going to mix this together. And this is going to take a while. Just keep mixing it in. Now this is our cream, and to store, you want to store it in a glass container. Make sure to use one that have a cover. So next I'm going to show you how to use this cream. Now here is our anti-aging cream, and to use this you just need a small amount. Now you're going to take a little bit, and here it is, just a little touch. You're going to rub it, and then you're going to apply it to the face. Press it in. Then you're going to massage your face. Now you want to focus on the areas where you tend to get most fine lines and wrinkles. And don't forget your laugh lines. Massage your face for about 3 minutes. A little bit of facial exercise. Don't forget your neck. Upwards. Now within a week, you're going to be so amazed at your skin. You're going to be looking much younger. You're going to notice that your fine lines has decreased tremendously. Not only that, you're going to notice that your skin has become tighter and your cheeks are fuller and firmer. You're going to basically look much younger. So continue to use the treatment. When this batch is finished, make a new batch, okay? And let me know in the comment box how well this is working for you. This is what I am using right now, and I am totally in love with it, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Go and make yourself a batch and come back and comment and let me know how much this cream is working for you. Give it some time to work. Give it a week. Within a week, you will be seeing wonderful results. Thank you all for watching. Remember, if this is your first time, hit the word subscribe below and the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your comment, share the video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.